Hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how you can log into Paycom as employee, which basically houses employee payroll information such as benefits elections, direct deposit amount information, garnishment management, payroll cycles and more. The process depends on the organization's need but can be simplified as checking information and approving amounts. It's that easy. So first thing first, you need to search for Paycom in Google. After that, you will be able to see a link that pops out at top. Once you click there, you will be redirected to the official site of Paycom, where you can see login option at top right corner. When you click there, you will see three login options, which is client, employee, and accountant. We're gonna log in as an employee this time, so let's click on it. And now you will be able to see a login form where Paycom asks you to input your username that you use while registration, your password, and last digit of SSN, which stands for Social Security number, which you can obtain from Social Security office, or you can also enter your 4-digit PIN. So finally, you need to click on login. Once you have completed filling up with your credentials, then you will be able to log in. And if you have forgotten your password or username, then you can click on forgot username and password shown in the screen just below login, and you will be able to solve it. So this is how you can log into Paycom as employee, and if you still face any problem, you can just comment down below and I'll try to help you. So if you think this video was helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.